All right, so here we're gonna mix up some flake, because I get this question a lot. What I do is I take 4 ounces. This is for a couple of custom Yetis. So two Yetis, you do 6 ounces. That's 4 ounces of the House of Color SG100 Intercoat Clear, and then 2 ounces of reducer. Gives you your 6 ounce mix. What I do is I take the chrome 0.04 and the chrome 0.08, 008, 004, whatever you want to call it. Basically mini and regular flake. Then you got the 0.015 and then the 0.025, which are just bigger. Bigger the number, bigger they're gonna be. So you'll get a little bit more sparkle out of them. What I do is I take a tablespoon. Go ahead with 2 tablespoons of 08. Get that in there. And then 1 tablespoon of 04. And then whatever color you're gonna go with, as far as like a candy over top, you can also add in about 2 teaspoons of the color that you're going with. Like say you're gonna go with a dark blue candy, you'll take a dark blue flake and add it in there. So that way when you're going in and the little bit of blue that's in there will actually catch your eye. So it'll make it look a little bit different. That's pretty much it. Once you get that, I'll go ahead and pull you up here. That's what you're gonna end with. So this is what you'll spray out of your, what I use is a 1.8 primer gun. And that's it. That's the mix that I've come up with that works for me. Gives me a lot of sparkle. And on all the cups that I do, all the motorcycle helmets, the motorcycle parts, all that, that's what I use.